Namhlanje bekuwusuku lokugcina lokuvakasha kukamongameli wezinsuku ezimbili eGoli njengoba umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa ememezele izinhlelo zokuvuselela isifundazwe sase-Gauteng kulolu hambo kusungulwe iJohannesburg Presidential Working Committee okuhloswe ngayo ukwengamela intuthuko yedolobha laseGoli.
Namhlanje usuku lwesibili lokuvakasha kwemongameli uCyril Ramaphosa esifundazweni sase-Gauteng lapho enza khona umsebenzi wokuqapha ngaphambi kwengqungquthela ye-G20. Izolo Ramaphosa ukhwele wadilika ezikhulwini zikahulumeni wase-Gauteng kanti enkulumeni yakhe yokuvula isigungu esiphezulu sesifundazwe sase-Gauteng umongameli ugxeke isimo somasipala esifundazweni ikakhulukazi umasipala waseGoli. Abaholi besifundazwe nomasipala waseGoli babeke kanjena.
Mr. President, in your address this morning, you reminisced about a time when you once walked down Elof Street, holding somebody's hand. You also said in Addis Ababa, lovers walk freely, and you wish the same for Johannesburg. In a nutshell, Johannesburg must be the city of love. Not only will Johannesburg be the city of love, it will be the first city to host the G20. The G20 declaration will be signed in Johannesburg. As you sign, Mr. President, we will be right behind by your side.
In the last 2 days, Honorable President, with your entire cabinet, you painstakingly went through our reports on how best to grow Gauteng together and by extension, grow Johannesburg. We want to appreciate you, President, and your team. We appreciate your guidance, we appreciate your counsel, but most importantly, we appreciate the resolutions that we've reached and the resolutions that need our immediate attention.
Kusenjalo ovela kwinhlangano ebhekelela amalungelo abantu uthi ke mningi umsebenzi okusamele wenziwe eJohannesburg.
This city is plagued by corruption. It has closed down its investigative capacity. You've seen the Bree Street collapse. You've seen the wastage of money. People get paid to do stuff, they disappear, they're not held accountable.
Umengameli uchaze iGoli njengendawo engcolile, ingqalasizinda ecekelwe phansi yonke indawo futhi yaveza isithombe sedolobha eliyisipoki. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginokulunga Mthembu ngiseBramfontein.